chat, right? Whenever you have price move, right? Let's say this is where price is headed. So forget about the candles here. So whenever you have price move, right? Again, there's 3 cycles. There's the push, there's the range, and there's the sort of reverse of the pullback, right? So when you push on price, right? When price pulls back, like I mentioned, what is it doing? It's pulling back, but as it pulls back, it's also finding support, right? Because for it to pull back, it has to find support. It can't just pull back with no support. If it goes up after going down, it's a pullback, right? So therefore, it has found support. So that becomes your support now. And as you find resistance, again, who knows where that could be, right? But again, this is like cycle 1, right? This is cycle 2, right? Cycle 2 could end up just being like this, for all I know. Cycle 2 could just sometimes just be one candle reversing the whole entire range, for all I know. Who knows? But if price were to not do that, right, and it were to do this instead, where it sort of found support here and then it found resistance here, then that's your range form, right? So if this is your range form, price has a decision to make now. Price has a decision to either continue to push up or continue to push down to re-break the lows, right? So you're going to see 2 options probably. You're going to see price come down like this, input in pink, come down like this, retest the lows. As it retests the lows, again, it could continue to do this, make a new high, low, and reverse on price, or it can just do something like this, where it just ranges and then all of a sudden breakout and then continuation, right? So those are your cycles, right? Those are things you gotta get used to, and that's what you're trying to do in trading, right? When we're scalping every day, you're trying to figure out what part of the cycle you're in. So that's why sometimes you might see us take, like yesterday, we switched our buys 3 times in the same 30-minute candle. 3 times we took buys and sells within the same 30-minute candle, right? We're bearish, bullish, bearish, right? So again, we're not really changing our bias. We're just adapting to the analysis, adapting to price, right? There's no such thing as you must only have one bias in order to become profitable. You can't switch your biases. You get impulsive. That doesn't matter. If you can read price and you can just learn to adapt to price, it doesn't matter what you're looking at, buys or sells, as long as you can adapt to price and understand what you're catching, what you're taking.